So there's this new update of Yellowcard, okay, which allows you to deposit money with mobile money, okay, but the option to withdraw your money using mobile money was already there, but there was no option of actually you depositing directly using mobile money. It was all possible by using your mobile money by transferring to their bank account. But right now, all you need to do is simply update the app, then click on deposit, and you're going to see the option saying mobile money, okay, and there's actually a fee of 2%. Okay, so all you need to do is simply click on it, then enter in the amount in kwacha you'd like to deposit. So let us say 500, although the minimum is 100 kwacha, and simply click next. Then the next thing you need to do is simply enter in your number, but I'm sure you won't be able to change this number because, okay, Yellowcard is going to pick up the number that you used when you registered your account. So you can only pay or deposit using the number which is in your account, the one you use like when signing up or something like that. Yeah. So simply click on next. Then you're going to see that it's going to be a transaction of 10 kwacha and you're going to receive 490 kwacha. Then all you need to do is simply click on next. So when you click on next, okay, then on this page simply click on I understand. But here's the thing about Yellowcard. Buying from Yellowcard is actually expensive. So if I do this, okay, so currently $1 is equals to 17.99. This is almost like 18 kwacha. But here's the thing, when I go and try to check out the fees that Yellowcard is using to buy crypto, so like all you need to do is simply go on Google and search for Yellowcard fees and click on the first thing that you're going to see in the search results. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down until I find Zambia. So it should be at the end, just near the footer. Okay, so here is Zambia. So if you'd like to buy crypto, okay, you can buy at 20.14. Where is Zambia again? It has gone down. Okay, here it is. And if you'd like to sell the crypto to Yellowcard, you're going to sell it at 17.73. Okay, so there's no doubt Yellowcard is the best platform to buy or sell crypto in Zambia. But one thing you should know is that when it comes to buying and selling on Yellowcard, okay, especially if you're going to be doing this frequently, it's going to be on your loss because Yellowcard is really using, okay, an exchange rate which is very high, okay, because currently right now $1 is equals to 17.99, but you can only buy crypto from Yellowcard at 20.14 kwacha and you can sell to them at 17.73. okay, for a company like this, it would have been fair if you would buy crypto at least at 18 or 19. Okay, let me just say 18, then you can sell to them, let us say at 17 is just okay. Okay, but so these fees are just too much, they're expensive, especially if you're planning of reselling the crypto or something like that. So actually there's actually a better way or a better place or a better platform where you can actually buy crypto at the lowest rate and, okay, make some money. But the thing is, if you're doing one-time transactions, okay, yeah, you can use Yellowcard. But if you're going to be buying and selling crypto frequently, okay, you're going to find yourself on the losses side because of this same exchange rates. So I actually have got a course that teaches you about everything you need to know about cryptocurrencies, but not only cryptocurrencies, it shows you also on how you can actually make money the legit ways. So remember, there's no recruiting, there's no investing anywhere, okay, there's no sending money to anyone, there's no like trading, okay, it's beginner friendly. So check out the link in the description and you'll get to know learn about everything you need to know about making money with cryptocurrencies. Okay, you can contact me on WhatsApp, I'll give you access to the course. But for now, this is Keith.